You know, we get asked that all the time. What does it mean to rock your business? What are you guys about? Well, what we're about is creating fresh ideas, automated solutions, and executing on those ideas and those solutions to move you forward. See, fresh ideas without execution means nothing. It's execution that moves you forward, helps you grow, and rocks your business. Yeah, one of the programs we have is called the Marketing ROI Accelerator. What it does, it helps you actually spend less on marketing. A lot of people think, well, we just got to spend on marketing. And what it is, they can actually get more ROI out of every marketing dollar spent. Make it more efficient. So what happens is in this program, systems are put in place where you get maybe $3 or $4 per every dollar spent ROI instead of the one you were getting. And it's more automated systems. What it does is directly, it helps you get more prospects, targeted prospects, quality prospects. It helps you create more paying customers. You see a decrease in your bottom line, which means revenues go up, and that rocks your business. Our automated systems are just amazing what they do for people. We have created systems that just are automated lead generation engines, and we've done it for technology, medical, and drug and alcohol testing. We've done it for a various number of industries and companies, large and small. And it just works wonderful. It's a 24/7 lead generation engine that sits there and churns and works and follows up with people, and it just creates quality prospects and then helps move them along the sales cycle so that maybe even the first time that you hear from them personally with a call or an email, they may be 25, 50, 75% sold on your company before you even talk to them. Who can we help? Well, we can help companies that are looking to move forward. Again, we're huge on execution. There's a lot of companies that we meet, they might have some very good ideas and they just need help ensuring those ideas are good, maybe even tweaking them a little bit, and then actually executing on those ideas. And they just can't do that. Maybe they don't have the staff, maybe they're just scared, maybe they just need an outside opinion to make it happen. We can do that. Or we can come in and provide the whole new fresh ideas. Maybe they're just stale and they're kind of stagnant and they just need someone to come in and give them some fresh new ideas, bring some new energy into the company that they'll see huge results from when we go and help them, again, execute on those fresh new ideas.